Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to add paid partnership on Instagram posts. So paid partnership is basically you telling Instagram and Instagram users that your partner paid you to create this post. So we simply open Instagram, let's close that for example. And now we open our profile, then we tap the three lines at the top right and we select settings. From here we select account and we scroll down till we see switch account type. Here you must be on business account or creator account. I'm already on business account, so that's fine. And now we simply tap the plus sign at the top right to create post. We select a photo and then double click to see this page. Now we scroll down at the very bottom, there is advanced settings. Here you will see add paid partnership if you have this option at all, because some accounts like mine don't have this option. We are not allowed to use this option. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.
If you are interested in professional software based on your own interests, check out the video description. Anyway, thanks for watching.